Hello family, how are you? Uh, Welcome to my channel. My channel is called Badhella Zw. Specifically talking about trucking, driving, and then specifically I want to talk about African brothers and sisters who like to join trucking industry in Europe, from Africa to Europe, driving forward, or driving dream forward. Okay, so my name is Badhella Zw. I welcome you to the family. I will speak some of the things that I would like you to learn about this channel. Okay, so I've got things that I will be reading here so that you guys must know exactly what are we gonna be talking about on this channel. Okay, so I will be talking about the reason of this channel. This channel is specifically for African brothers and sisters who like to come and work in Europe and change their future. Sometimes I know we can have also brothers from other countries. You are welcome, but if you are from Africa, then you are good to go. Okay, secondly, we will be talking about, I'm from Zimbabwe. I will tell you about my country of origin. I'm from Zimbabwe. I get this opportunity to come and work in Europe, so I would like you guys to hear everything. My journey is very important to share with you. I would like to share with you the struggles that I come across. I would like to share with you the lesson that I learned to come to Europe. I will also tell you about my life. And then I will be telling you how you gonna get this trucking job in Europe. Okay, that's the key factors. These key factors I will be speaking in each and every video so that you guys will follow and see what is real about me. I will be teaching you the European road signs and rules, how you guys get driving nicely in Europe. And then I will be teaching you also about when I'm driving in the roads, it's better for you to know and see that, okay, these signs are implemented on this section. How does it work with you? Because in Europe, it have got a lot of cameras, so you need to be always focused. Okay, and then I will be telling you the truth, guys. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I will be telling you about the skills that you guys can get from me. It's a lot of skills that we can learn every day, about this driving. It's very important so that you come and work for your family. These things are what I'm talking about as we starting this channel. I will be giving you a real content that you guys can be happy and support me and learn, and also you guys get. My aim is to change your life, and I'm already starting to change mine already, but I would like to share with you information that can help you so that you can change your life. You come and work for your family. It's very important for us to know that about it. So guys, I would like you to stay tuned on my channel as we are starting every day. Okay, let me speak a little bit about my journey. It was on the 2023 on July when I was sitting with my friend. We were having a situation whereby we were about to be retrenched. The company was not making any profits, and then the company decided to retrench the drivers so that the drivers, they can reduce the numbers. To tell you the truth, I was on the list of that drivers. I end up helpless. Why? Because I'm someone who have got family to feed. I'm someone who have got kids going to school. So situation were terrifying me to a point where I was facing the retrenchment. So guys, we retrenched. Finally, I get another job, but it was not that the way I was looking for. I work, but it was not producing anything. The money, it was only finished to my rental to become selfless. So 2024, I come across a friend. We at work. He told me that, my brother, this is the opportunity if you want to go and work in Europe. I accept. When I accepted, tell you what, I was not even money to apply for a job. Okay, application was for free, but to produce some papers, flight tickets and stuff. Family want to feed also. But God was on my side. He provided me a small job. Again, I work, but still, I can see that no, this is not me, because I was using to get earning some good amount of money. So I went to on 2024 July again, the application started. You know, I was praying every day with my wife so that we can get this opportunity. But at the same time, we were crying because we don't have money. I was having my private car. I was started to work with my private car, like Uber, you know. In South Africa, you can do that. And then I come to a point where things were starting to get tough. I'm in a draw now. My agent, I got an agent that helps me to process. So the agent tells me that every Saturday she was sending me a message. My brother, we didn't get a date, but don't worry. I was keeping faith, praying with my wife and kids every day until until the time where she said to me, we went home by January. Remember that year, 2024, 2023, I mean, went to finish. And then when it is December time, we plan to go and see our families at home. We drive our car, we go home to Zimbabwe. The car was giving me stress in the road until we get home, and we were exhausted. Here comes the time now we want to come back. No money for fuel, and I'm starting to think about the border. So we end up being selfless to stay in Zimbabwe now, just like that, without any plan. I decided to sell my car. I sell it because now kids must go to school. We need money to eat. We need money for this. And I'm stuck. We don't have a house where to stay with my kids and my wife and kids. We came to visit my friend. We end up having situations whereby the wife of my friend now starting to think, why these people are staying long here, this blah 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 stories. We find ourselves a place to stay. My car was bought from one of my friends, and then he was not having enough money. The way he was giving me money, it's like I sell my car in a painful way. We end up have a house to stay. Then, to cut the story short, I went to on March. That's where the date found it, and now we need to go back to South Africa again. I went myself. I leave family for application of visa, Poland, and then it went successful. I find a job. I start to work there. Starting to work. Visa come out. I go. I collect. But now here's the story. I don't have money. I work for one of the companies, small company again, so that I can just buy a ticket and having some little money to live for my family, and then me go to Europe. Guys, I came to Europe without any money in my pocket. I was not have enough money. I was only have $200. And when I get here in Europe, I need to buy a ticket for the bus to go to Lithuania. When I get in Lithuania, accommodation, they said it's for free. I was praying. I leave my family in a tough situation where I was just saying, you know what, it's better for me to go. I started training. Luckily, I got an opportunity. First day when we started to get tested, that's where I was telling you my struggle. Now I'm telling you now how God did for me. First test, I passed out of 24 drivers. On Monday in the class, they called my name. They told me that, you, congratulations, you passed. I was smiling inside me, having a situation back home that it was tough. And then from there, I went to start working for myself. Guys, the story will continue, but that's how I end up in Europe. So I will tell you more. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for your time. This was the story time. I was starting to share jobs with you, videos with you, vlogs with you, everything. Okay, I salute you, family, and thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you.